Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Tacoma headlight. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, possibly a flathead, and your new headlight bulbs. Always make sure your Tacoma is turned off and the engine has cooled down for at least 15 minutes to prevent any burns or electrical issues. Safety first, always. Now let's get to the headlight. Pop open your Tacoma's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll typically find 2 or 3 10mm bolts or retaining clips holding it in place. Use your screwdriver or a small socket wrench to remove these. Once loose, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward, away from the vehicle, to gain full access to the bulbs. With the assembly out, it's time to change the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, grasp the base of the old bulb, twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 turn and pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, hold it by its plastic base. Never touch the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. Almost done. Before fully reassembling, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Now, turn on your Tacoma's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Once confirmed, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting points. Reinstall the 2 or 3 10mm bolts or clips you removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug and secure. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.